Nvidia's stock price is around 486 USD, with its valuation reflecting its strong position in AI and GPU technology, sectors that have seen explosive demand. Nvidia remains a compelling choice for investors interested in artificial intelligence, given its leading role in high-performance graphics and AI-driven applications across industries. The company's GPUs are foundational for sectors like gaming, data centers, and autonomous vehicles, positioning Nvidia to capitalize on AI's continued growth. This makes it appealing to both growth investors seeking exposure to tech and AI trends, and institutional investors seeking to benefit from Nvidia's innovations in hardware and AI software frameworks. However, Nvidia's stock price can be volatile, as tech stocks often are, influenced by market conditions, industry trends, and economic policies. For real-time updates, checking platforms such as Nasdaq or Yahoo Finance is recommended. And look up compound interest and learn about it. This is the best slow and steady way to get rich.